So eat this to heal your gut. On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm sharing how to repair and reset your gut microbiome for weight loss and mental health. So thanks to the popular Netflix microbiome documentary called Hack Your Health, The Secrets of Your Gut, and various TED Talks, the importance of a healthy gut microbiome is now in the mainstream. The microbiome refers to the entire ecosystem of microorganisms, including the bacteria, fungi, and viruses living in and on your body along with their genetic material. The microbiota refers specifically to the community of these microorganisms themselves, like the bacteria in your gut. So in other words, think of the microbiome as the environment or the house, and the microbiota as the inhabitants that live there. So how does your gut microbiome impact your overall health? So your microbiome is crucial for maintaining your body's homeostasis to optimize weight loss, mental health, and overall well-being. A healthy gut microbiome supports digestion, immune function, and nutrient absorption while also influencing mood, mental health, and inflammation. An unhealthy gut microbiome is often caused by poor diet, stress, or antibiotics. So this can lead to digestive issues, weakened immunity, and increased inflammation, and potentially contributes to conditions of anxiety, depression, and autoimmune diseases. So how do you detox and cleanse your microbiome? So following a microbiome diet may help detox and cleanse your microbiome to improve gut health. So it does this by focusing on microbiome-friendly foods that support the growth of beneficial bacteria and eliminate the harmful ones, thus enhancing digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. So eat this to heal your gut. Increase fiber intake by eating more fiber-rich foods, including vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to feed beneficial gut bacteria. Incorporate fermented foods, including yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut that contain probiotics to support a diverse microbiome. Bone broth offers collagen and amino acids that help repair the gut lining. Prebiotics found in foods including garlic, onions, and bananas to feed good bacteria for overall gut health. Healthy fats from olive oil, avocados, and nuts to reduce inflammation. And minimize processed foods including sugars and artificial sweeteners, which can promote harmful bacteria and harm gut health. Also, to help detox your microbiome, take high-quality probiotics to help replenish beneficial microbes. Stay hydrated. Water helps maintain healthy digestion and microbiome balance. Reduce stress. So chronic stress can negatively affect gut health, therefore stress-reducing techniques like mindfulness or exercise can support a healthy microbiome. However, here's the major issue with just blindly consuming all the foods listed in the microbiome diet. Even though fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and prebiotics generally promote a healthy gut microbiome, all of these foods do not improve gut health for everyone. Microbiome gut health can vary based on individual factors like your unique gut composition. So each person's microbiome is unique. So foods that benefit one person may not have the same effect on another. For example, kale is not approved for 88% of people tested. Food sensitivities or intolerances. So some people may be sensitive to certain microbiome-friendly foods like dairy and fermented products or high fiber foods, which could lead to digestive discomfort. Health conditions. So conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, or gut disorders may require specific dietary adjustments, as some microbiome boosting foods may exacerbate symptoms. This is why following a personalized approach that keeps your specific gut health needs in mind is key to improving your microbiome gut health. And to help you specifically tailor the best microbiome-friendly foods designed for your unique gut microbiome, I recommend you first take a microbiome test that helps you take control of your body and get personalized nutrition and supplement recommendations. So before I started using Biome, I was blindly following a microbiome diet food list from a random blog post in hopes that would help reduce my bloating and improve my gut health. However, once I realized that we all have a unique gut microbiome and not all microbiome-friendly foods has the same effect on everyone, I tried a few different microbiome test kits. For example, did you know that 49% of people who take Biome's tests find out that broccoli is actually a food their body should avoid? How does the microbiome affect weight loss, and do certain gut bacteria cause weight loss? So the microbiome affects weight loss by influencing digestion, metabolism, and fat storage. So as shown on the screen, certain gut bacteria help break down food efficiently, regulate hunger hormones, and balance energy absorption. Research suggests individuals with the higher ratios of specific gut bacteria in their gut tend to have better weight management. So balancing your gut microbiome can significantly influence weight management, fat metabolism, and overall health. How does the microbiome influence mental health, including anxiety and depression? The microbiome influences mental health through the gut-brain axis, which is a communication system linking the gut and the brain. So this research right here shows that an imbalance in gut bacteria known as dysbiosis can lead to inflammation and disrupt neurotransmitter production, including serotonin, which regulates mood. So a healthy microbiome enriched by fiber, probiotics, and fermented foods helps reduce inflammation and promote the production of mood-regulating chemicals. Studies also show that gut health plays a key role in the stress response, with imbalanced gut bacteria potentially increasing anxiety and depressive symptoms. So it suggests that specific probiotics, prebiotics, and other dietary components can help manage these disorders by modulating gut microbiota. So let's wrap this all up. A healthy gut supports digestion, reduces inflammation, enhances mental health, and boosts metabolism, which aids in sustainable weight loss. To reset and repair your gut microbiome for weight loss and mental health, focus on diet. So eat more of the fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, and prebiotics to support beneficial bacteria while minimizing processed foods and sugar. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to help with digestion and microbiome balance. Probiotics. Add high-quality probiotics to replenish beneficial bacteria. In stress management, practice mindfulness, exercise, or relaxation techniques to reduce stress, which negatively impacts gut health. And sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to allow your gut to recover and restore balance. So question of the day, let me know in the comments, what's one thing you plan to try to improve your gut health after learning about the microbiome? And have you ever considered taking a microbiome test to personalize your diet and supplements? Why or why not? And if you found this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to our Liveling TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. And if you made it to the end of this video, don't stop your learning now. Go check out this post right here where I share my Biome full body intelligence test review and results. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean.